The BJP's Tiranga Yatra in Srinagar, which is kick-started. It's part of a big outreach over Operation Sindoor. It's an 11-day Tiranga Yatra, started on the 13th and will wrap up on the 23rd of this month. And it's being projected as a tribute to the armed forces valor during Operation Sindoor, which was launched in response to the Pahalgam terror attack. There will be no party symbols, only the national flag. This is what the BJP president has said. In fact, Nazir is tracking the latest. He joins us live at the moment. Nazir, we're given to understand that the Tiranga Yatra has now begun.
Well, Tiranga Yatra from Srinagar Sher-e-Kashmir Park to Lal Chowk by the BJP has just started. This is, BJP's women wing are leading this yatra, and as you can see, lots of people, party workers with the tricolors, and moving forward towards Lal Chowk. They have just started. While the opposition is calling it, the politicization of this Operation Sindoor, but you can see here, the Operation Sindoor part of this Tiranga Yatra by the BJP workers, and I'll show you. This is led by the BJP members and particularly their women wing. And after Operation Sindoor, it has clearly shown that how people from Kashmir to Kanyakumari have come together to support the armed forces and their mission they had to accomplish. It was started by Prime Minister himself when he met the soldiers, air warriors at Adampur, and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh also visiting Srinagar, meeting soldiers at Army's 15 Corps headquarters. And then you can see here BJP workers in Kashmir. They are leading this Tiranga Yatra from Srinagar's Sher-e-Kashmir Park to Lal Chowk. Look, the slogans are Teri Jaan, Meri Jaan, Hindustan, Hindustan. So this is how it works. It has gone. There's massive security around. All types of slogans by the participants of this Tiranga Yatra in Srinagar. Perhaps it would have been unthinkable some time back that there could be such a yatra in Srinagar, but after Pahalgam attack, which actually united entire Kashmir against terror, common people, ordinary people, they stood up against terror. They started speaking openly against terror and innocent killings. And now we saw political parties. We saw all the political parties cutting across party lines. They joined these hands against terror and killing of innocent people. But when India decided to go ahead and target terror sites in Pakistan, and we saw people here coming forward and joining hands here.
So hearing that the Tiranga Yatra has kick-started in Pahalgam, where 26 tourists were gunned down on the 22nd of April, we're hearing and seeing visuals as well of the Tiranga Yatra kick-starting in Pahalgam too.
Yeah, everywhere. If you see in Jammu also, people would be taking our Tiranga Yatra in Jammu also this evening. But Srinagar symbolizes, it sends a larger message about the sentiment on the ground, and also how BJP is actually making this yatra successful in Kashmir. When you have to send a message from Kashmir, it has much different meaning in Jammu and Kashmir, and as you can see here, political leaders, party workers, women. Essentially, this BJP said this Tiranga Yatra will be women-led, and in fact, it started. Then workers started running here. Then workers started running here. So this is something really unusual. The way it is happening. Massive, you see it. Operation Sindoor. And showing it is on the BJP vehicle, showing Operation Sindoor here. So in a sense, very, very enthusiastic. It's not the number of people who are joining it. It is actually the enthusiasm and the spirit. This yatra is being carried out by the BJP supporters. As I said, it is women-led yatra. India's resolve to fight against terror, and also India's resolve to, you know, and then how it galvanized people, made people, you know, this how to. Made people to be part of this. Made people to be part of this movement. So it is not just the soldiers who are fighting on the borders,
well,
but also
highlighting,
this also shows how people, how people are coming out, political workers, showing the resolve of the party and the people and their supporters here in Srinagar, where they are actually being part of this yatra.
Right, Nazir. As
So
Nazir is
let me
reporting
talk
live
to
from Srinagar, this
Sajid
yatra
Yusuf.
is quite unusual as it highlights the spirit and enthusiasm on the ground. And as Nazir is asserting,
Sajid Yusuf.
having this in Srinagar. Right, sorry, Nazir, go on.
Let me talk to Sajid Yusuf, who is actually spokesman of the BJP in Kashmir and leading this Tiranga Yatra. Sajid, tell me what this yatra signifies.
This Operation Sindoor got successful, and right now Bharatiya Jammu Kashmir unit, especially the civil society member NGOs, they participated in this Tiranga Yatra. They give a reply to those people who thinks that the Operation Sindoor was not successful. The people of Jammu and Kashmir are happy, and they appreciate the security forces, especially Indian Air Forces, who have neutralized precisely the terror camps in Pakistan occupied Kashmir, including India, Pakistan.
Okay, Sajid, do you think that this Operation Sindoor will serve as a deterrence for any future terror attack in Jammu?
Absolutely, the Prime Minister Modi has made it very clear. If you will attack a single bullet towards the India, we will put the Gola in Pakistan. That's exactly what has happened.
Bomb versus bullet.
Absolutely, because the thing India has made very clear that there is no soft towards the terrorism. If you do terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir, you will be neutralized. That's exactly what has happened in the Operation Sindoor.
So opposition would say, oh look, it would be the politicization of, you know, this Operation Sindoor when BJP takes out protests, or that is clearly misplaced. What do you think?
It is not the protest, it is the celebration, irrespective of political parties. If you will see the invitation yesterday, the Bharatiya Janata Party has made clear for the people of Jammu and Kashmir, irrespective of their political affiliations, that they can be part of this or the Tiranga Yatra. That's exactly that. I mentioned that the people, civil society, students, irrespective of their affiliation with any organizations, they are the part of this Tiranga Yatra today.
So BJP essentially saying it is not the protest, it is not the march, it is celebration, and everybody is actually celebrating India's victory. And when Pahalgam terror attack took place, it was people from all the sections of the society and taking out, fighting terror and saying enough is enough, terror must end. And when there was Operation India decides punitive action against Pakistan, all the political parties here held an all-party meeting and decisively gave a mandate, said we firmly are behind India's decision, whatever it takes with regard to Pakistan. Sajid, your party is right now taking it, but we have seen all parties actually in Jammu and Kashmir, whether it was a unanimous resolution in the assembly or all-party meeting in Srinagar called by Chief Minister, everybody was firmly behind the government.
I appreciate the opposition leader. They have behaved very sensibly during the Operation Sindoor. I have seen the statements coming from the Shashi Tharoor, Asad Owaisi, Umarullah. They have been very nice when it comes to Operation Sindoor. This is exactly what the healthy democracy means. Those people who are in the opposition, they are standing with the India. They are standing with right now with the forces. That is exactly what we want. This is not the BJP's program. This is the people's right now the Yatra. And this is not only march going to happen in the Srinagar. It is going to happen in every nook of the corner of the Kashmir Valley, starting from the tomorrow.
Thank you so much, Sajid. So, BJP spokesman Sajid used explaining what it means. It's not a party, march. It is actually a celebration which everybody is joining. In fact, it started from the day when people showed their unflinching resolve against terrorism after April 22nd attack in Pahalgam. And then when India decided to take firm action against a military action against Pakistan, so there was a clear-cut resolve from all the parties in Jammu and Kashmir that they said they will stand behind the government of India, and whatever action government of India takes will be with the government. So that was the sentiment, including suspending Indus Water Treaty. So you will see here talking about Hindustan. So this is the protest here. Look at this protest. Appears to be a large protest. It doesn't appear to be a smaller one. Some large number of people appear to have joined this protest, this march in Srinagar. As you can see here, essentially it was women-led protest. But when you saw people marching, running towards Lal Chowk, so this is the sentiment here at Srinagar. Now we have entered Lal Chowk area from Sher-e-Kashmir Park. So this is something you can see, all people carrying tricolor towards the Lal Chowk where they will gather. Normally Lal Chowk was out of bounds for so many people, particularly mainstream, but we have seen now large number of people actually gathering, and BJP has organized quite an impressive by Kashmir standards Tiranga Yatra in Srinagar, which started from Sher-e-Kashmir Park and will be culminating at Lal Chowk. We in few minutes from now will be reaching Lal Chowk here in Srinagar. We are already few minutes from now will be reaching here at Lal Chowk, where BJP will conclude their Tiranga Yatra.